Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2027 how to change background color. So if you want to change the background color, you can type OP to open the option dialog box and go to display. Now you can click on the color tab and we show for the drawings window color. So if you want to change the background color into the model space, you can click here to the model space and uniform background. Like I will set the color to the sign, click apply and close. The background color will be changed. So you can click color button, and if you want to restore, you can click here for the restore all contacts. Click restore and then click apply to set to default. Okay, that's it for a basic AutoCAD 2027 how to change background color.